What do you think? I was watching NatGeo this morning and saw a clip segment of the egrets actually push one of their siblings for demand of food. It's exactly what happened to this bird. Well, we're gonna try to revive this bird. Was completely dehydrated when we found her, and now we're just defrosting a few shrimp and maybe give this bird a chance.
The stronger chicks peck and stab their smaller sibling. Mom does nothing to intervene. This is all quite normal. Finally, the inevitable result.
Defrosted a few shrimp in here. See if we can serve it. We got shrimp and syringe and water. Back up, Kara. And now we're gonna do some more feeding. And smushed up shrimp, and we saw the parents are actually bringing in crabs, and so now I'm just gonna do some more feeding and simulate a parent. And a little bit of water. Kara, back up. Hopefully nothing is broken. But look like she's doing a lot better. Belly's empty. I slowly hydrated her, and look like she's doing a lot better. Her eyes are open, kind of conscious, unlike before.
We have a name for her.
What is it?
Baby.
Baby. Nobody puts baby in a corner. Or you.
Oh, I think hungry.
Wow. Up and about.
Food.
Or you better not eat that. Eyes open, wide open. Regaining her strength. It's good progress. And she also defecated. That's a good sign.
Getting her active because Car keeps sniffing her and she's like,
Hey.
When it really, really matters, you need the best network and the best unlimited.
Mukbang? No.
no.
Kidding.
I think Cara just likes her.
So when my asthma symptoms kept coming back
Wow.
from my long-term control medicine, I talked to my doctor and found a missing piece in my asthma treatment with Brio.
Once daily Brio prevents asthma symptoms. Brio's for adults with asthma not well controlled on a long-term asthma control medicine, like an inhaled corticosteroid.
Hey, birdie. What? You want more food? Wow. Just a quick update. I placed the bird right there. We've been helping her for 6 hours now, and she regained a lot of her strength. And since she's a wild bird, I end up putting her up there. So, by the way, it's an old wives' tale that you can't touch a bird. If the bird is in real danger, like baby was, she was definitely going to perish. End up, reviving her. She could squawk and ask her parents for food, and hopefully the parents come down from up there to down there. Obviously, I can't climb all the way up there, so I end up putting it putting the bird just right up there. So all I did was gave her a fighting chance. Baby! I've been trying to catch her. She usually just walks around. And every time I run and get the camera, she flies away, but she's doing really well. It's exciting. Happy to make a difference on that bird's life. Awesome.